In this video, we are going to see how we can use keyboard functions without an actual physical keyboard. And this is to enable your on-screen keyboard with your mouse. For whatever unfortunate reason your keyboard malfunctions, it can be frustrating when you need to get things done. I am here to show you, no keyboard, no problem. You ready? Let's go. Hello one and all, I hope you are doing exceptionally well. I am Mitch, that IT guy, and I appreciate you for tuning into my channel. Right now, I am without a physical keyboard, but that doesn't need to stop me or you from going about your typing business. Let's face it, when you're on a roll typing away and the keyboard malfunctions, say you drop liquid onto the keyboard, or your wire has a short, or your batteries ran out for your wireless keyboard, or from personal experience accidentally dropping your laptop, God forbid. For whatever reason you can't access a store, and whatever reason you need an instant keyboard due to the physical one that has ceased functioning, this is your solution. It's no setback because of this wonderful feature right here, the on-screen keyboard, or in short, OSK. The good news is every Windows operating system has this feature. So let's enable our on-screen keyboard. First we go to Start, then select Settings. The Windows Settings window opens, and a bit downwards we're going to click on Ease of Access. Cast your eyes to the right and with the blue pane scroll downwards until you find Keyboard. Click on that. And there we have it, the on-screen keyboard function. Turn on the toggle under the Use the on-screen keyboard. And notice how the keys light up as I move the cursor over each character. The OSK can be moved around the screen so that it does not stay in your way. It will stay on your screen until you close it right here. Or you can just minimize it when you don't need it at a certain time, and when you do need it again, you can just maximize it from the taskbar. Now what you can also do is pin it to the taskbar. So now you have the shortcut, and in future you won't need to go about the initial steps of accessing your OSK by Start, Settings. All you need to do is just click on the shortcut here on the taskbar, and voila. Let's test this in a Word document, shall we? Now when typing, notice the text predictor. That's one advantage about the OSK. Text prediction suggests words for you as you type, so you don't need to type each complete word, and it predicts your next word you are most likely to use as you go along. How else can we use the OSK? Well, the on-screen keyboard can be used for basically almost anything. Now I know that for playing games it's not ideal, and for typing those long essays, well, it might take a bit longer. But in my upcoming video I'm going to show you how you can type without using or actually just giving your fingers a rest by letting your computer type for you. If you're not a fan on the clicking sound, this can be disabled by your options over here. Here you will also find other features like turning on the numeric keypad. You can use this option to expand the OSK to show a numeric keypad. Also with the OSK, you can change its size according to your liking. So ladies and gentlemen, please hit that like button if you found this video informative. If it's your first time on this channel, please consider subscribing for more content. And if you are experiencing any problems relating to the OSK, please put that in the comments down below. So have a wonderful day, take care, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.